Hi, this is Murali Krishna. Now I am going to see programming language on definition of compiler. What is what is the compiler? Actually, every C program needs a compiler to run the program. Without compiler, it will not work. The definition of the compiler: a computer program which reads source code and outputs assembly code or executable code is called compiler. means it means a program that translates software written in source code into instructions that a computer can understand. Software used to translate the text that a programmer writes into a format the CPU can use. Means a piece of software that takes third generation language code and translates it into a specific assembly code. Compilers can be quite complicated pieces of software. Okay, means what is the definition of compiler? A computer program which reads source code and output assembly code or executable code is called compiler. Okay, friends. Compilers of C executable code format the CPU can use third generation language code. I am already told. Execute. What is the meaning of executable code? It is a computer program which reads source code and output assembly code or executable code is called compiler. And format the CPU can use means a program that translates software written in source code into instructions that a computer can understand. Software used to translate the text that a programmer writes into a format the CPU can use. Another third generation language code means a piece of software that takes third generation language code and translates it into a specific assembly code. Compilers can be quite complicated pieces of software. Okay. Now I'm going to tell overview of the compiler. Okay. The process of executing simple in C. I'm already given a program. Now I will be explaining with the program. We have opened C code editor and wrote a simple C program like as shown here. Whenever we try to compile a code and try to execute code, our code is given to the compiler. Okay, our code is int main open brace print hello return 0 close brace. Okay, the whole program converted into binary code. How? Now our main intention is to convert program into lower level language which can be read by machine. Compiler have different phases. What? Different means the program converted program into lower level language. It is converting into lower level language which can be read by machine. Compiler have different phases and the program undergoes through these 6 phases. Actually, when we give a program, the program runs in 6 phases. The 6 phases are: first phase lexical analysis phase, second one syntax analysis, third one semantic analysis, fourth one intermediate code generation, fifth one code optimization, and sixth one code generation. Understand? Friends, understand? Phases of what? Phase. Phases of compiler. First one lexical analysis. Third one lexical analysis phase. Third one syntax analysis. Fourth one, that's me, sorry. Third one, semantic analysis. Semantic anal ana LYS, yes. Fourth one, intermediate code. IND. Fifth one, code optimization. Code optimization. And the sixth one, code generation. These six phases are very important to run a program. Okay, friends, I'm already told. First, when we write a program, it converts into binary code. But to convert into binary code, it goes to 6 steps. The first one, logical analysis. Second, syntax analysis. Third, semantic analysis. Fourth, intermediate code generation, code optimization, and last one, code generation. These are all the main steps to convert into binary step. And the program undergoes through 6 phases. I'm already after passing through all these compilation places, our code is converted into the machine level language code, which can be read by machine. Understand? After 6 steps, it goes to machine level language, and finally it converts into binary code. This is the overview of the compiler. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe to my